With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, what is the difference between a direct current and an alternating current? How many times does AC used in India change direction in 1 second? So let's take the first part, that is, what is the difference between a direct current and an alternating current? DC, that is direct current, and AC. Okay, so direct current, what is direct current? It's, as the name suggests, it's something like direct, that doesn't change its direction, like it's a direct contact to something. So direct current is simply current flows only in one direction. That means current is unidirectional. It's unidirectional. Let's draw a diagram. Suppose this is our circuit. This is the battery. And this is our bulb. We have connected it to a DC supply. Okay, something like this. This is our DC supply, and we can also represent this DC supply like this: positive and negative. DC simply means positive and negative, and batteries are always DC. So when the current flows through this circuit, let's say I, this bulb will glow. No matter for how much time we keep the circuit on, the intensity of bulb, that is the brightness of bulb, will not change. If it glows bright, it will glow bright till this battery dies. Until then, it won't change its intensity. That is, current is flowing only in one direction. If we plot a graph between voltage and time, we get something like this, that the current is straight. And we know voltage is directly proportional to current using Ohm's law. So if the voltage is constant, current will also be constant. That's the thing about DC. Now AC. As the name suggests, alternating. That means something that is alternating, and alter means to change. So AC means it keeps on changing its direction. Or we can say it is bidirectional. Bidirectional. It moves back and forth, back and forth. It switches. So if we plot a graph between voltage and time, now we'll get something like this. It changes back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Okay, like this. So first it's in the positive half, then it comes in the negative, then positive, then negative. It fluctuates, it continuously fluctuates. If this supply, we replace this supply with the AC supply is represented like this. First the bulb will glow bright, then after some time it won't glow with the same brightness. Its brightness decreases after a certain interval of time, and then it again glows bright. In this way we can understand it has been connected to the AC source, and before that it was connected to the DC source. So that's the difference between AC and DC. The second question is, how many times does AC used in India change direction in 1 second? Okay, and also AC is the current that is supplied to our homes. And in India, the frequency of the AC produced is 50 hertz. That means it changes, or we can say 50 hertz means 50 cycles per second. Okay, and this is one cycle. Distance from this to this is one cycle. And we also know that it changes its direction 2 times in one revolution. Let's say in one cycle it changes its direction 2 times. So if there are 50 cycles, how many times will it change its direction? That is 2 into 50. That gives us 100 times. That means it changes its direction 100 times in 1 second.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.